Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Sign into Windows using the admin or user account you intend to change. Once signed in, press Start and open Settings. Type Settings if you prefer keyboard search. Navigate to Accounts because that centralizes password controls. Make sure you have your current password, PIN, or Microsoft account credentials on hand. Otherwise, the next steps will prompt verification. This gets you into the right place fast and prevents interruptions when Windows asks to confirm your identity. You now focus on capture and tonal decisions. Record a clean first pass so you have timing reference and then punch in for problem bars. Take multiple short takes to comp later. This saves time and tightens performance. Use amp models and stomp boxes to dial character, then shape with EQ and gentle compression. Automate volume for crescendos. Once comfortable, double-track rhythm parts panned left and right, and record a lead part, centered or slightly offset for presence and clarity. Finish by balancing levels and putting rhythm guitars on a bus with light compression so they glue together. Add reverb or delay on sends to keep clarity. Automate final volume rides, then bounce to a stereo file. Choose WAV or 16-bit 44. 1K HZ for general distribution and clearly label your takes. If you hit clipping, lower the input gain. If latency or timing feels off, increase the audio buffer or enable direct monitoring on your interface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.